some BTST ideas. Naresh, what's on your list? Naresh, you'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Continue like Coromandel Fertilizer, very close to a breakout into new all-time highs. Stop loss at 1800, target price of 1880. Signals are buying. Dr. Reddy is trying to cross the recent swing highs. Could catch some momentum. Stop loss at 1255, target price of 1320.
Kunal, what about your BTST ideas?
So the first one is a carry forward of what I recommend in the morning page industries. The stock looks attractive. Now I think perched at a fresh multi-week high for itself, trading above 49,000 marks. So maintain targets of 50,000 over the very near term. Stop loss can now be traded to 48,500 for traders who are looking at a fresh trade. And the second would be about Samvadda Motherson or Samil. That's a chart which has come back from its sub 200 moving average of 165 levels to now 168 plus mark. Looks attractive for a target of 178. Stop loss at 163.
Winding up for the day then, and we are definitely closing in with a 90-odd point sort of downtick, so didn't quite manage to follow through from Friday's session. 95 points lower on the Nifty futures is where we're shutting shop for the day. The key large caps firstly under pressure. Sectorally, it was definitely metals, oil and gas, infrastructure, power, even technology, and some of the financial and FMCG names were on the back foot. So the likes of a Titan, BPCL, Hindalco, TCS, Shriram, Adani Ports, ONGC, Adani Enterprises, they were all the laggards in today's trading session. From within the gainers then, it was about Dr. Reddy's and Edison, Bajaj Finance which held out well, ICICI Bank did okay, and then it a flourish move for an SBI and a Kotak Bank. And that was pretty much the case with an ITC, Trent and L&T as well, along with M&M. The broader market is where pretty much all the buoyancy was. So be it the new age stocks, be the capital good names, banking, pharmaceuticals, and of course media and realty. That's where your big winners were in the session. First, talk about the new age names, and the entire pack was a buzz. Starting off with a Policy Bazaar, which closed in with a gain, less than 1%, but a great gain nonetheless. You had a Naukri, which did very well. Paytm was up about 2.5%. Zomato held out by about 3%. Nykaa was up about 4%. And of course, Swiggy is the one which made those delightful gains, standing with almost a double-digit gains. 12% is the kind of move that you had on Swiggy in today's trading session. Other than that, of course, it was really, realty all the way. Look at the kind of moves that you had on an Oberoi Realty. It closed in with almost a 6.5% gain. The index itself, like you just saw on your screens, with a 3% move coming in on that stock, or rather the index. There was Hoodco, 5.25% uptick there. Prestige, which held higher by 4.5%. Lodha looked good with 3.5% move. DLF held out very smartly. Even a Godrej Properties, which closed in with a good 1.7% gain. So good day, but very sector specific at that. We'll wind it up right here then on this edition of Closing Trades. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.